Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up AT&T BGW320 IP Passthrough. First, connect an Ethernet cable from the WAN or Internet port on your personal router to Ethernet port 1, the blue 5 Gbps port, on the back of the AT&T BGW320. Keep your router connected during the entire setup process. Next, open a web browser on a device connected to your network. Type 192.168.1254 into the address bar and press Enter. This opens the AT&T Gateway configuration page. When prompted, enter the device access code found on the sticker attached to the BGW320. After logging in, click the Firewall tab, then select IP Passthrough. Find the allocation mode setting and change it from off to pass-through. Then set pass-through mode to DHCPS. Now locate the pass-through fixed MAC address section. Select your third-party router's WAN MAC address from the drop-down menu. If it does not appear, manually enter the router's WAN MAC address. Once everything is correct, click Save. Now, restart both router and BGW320. First, turn on the BGW320, then your router. Your router should now receive the internet connection through IP Passthrough and manage your home network. Thanks for watching.